Hello. What miracle plant has done in my poultry farm will amaze you. Boost your poultry flock with miracle plant extract. If you're a lover of organic poultry farming, you like natural things, you like eating natural meat, you like eating natural egg, you like seeing it, this particular content will interest you. Miracle plant is amazing plant for poultry and livestock. In poultry and livestock farming, organic solutions are becoming increasingly popular for improving animal health and reducing costs of production. One such organic wonder is the miracle plant, a natural supplement that boosts growth, enhances immunity, and improves productivity in poultry and livestock farming. Known for its rich nutritional profile and medicinal performance and importance and properties, the miracle plant has transformed the health and performance of farm animals. Let us explore the incredible benefit of this plant as it offers in poultry and livestock animals. Most especially what I have witnessed in my own farm as a poultry farmer. Let's get there. In this particular content, I'll give you the 12 nutritional and medicinal benefits of miracle plant that I have witnessed in my poultry farm. 12 nutritional and medicinal benefits of miracle plant that I have witnessed in my own poultry farm. Let's get there. One is they are rich in protein. It has 30 to 40% crude protein. It provides essential amino acid necessary for muscle development and growth in poultry and livestock. Number two, it is very high in vitamin A content. It has 10 to 12% vitamin A. Vitamin A enhances vision and immune response, very crucial for maintaining health growth in animals. Number three, it has calcium. Therefore, it is a calcium booster. It has 8 to 10% calcium. Calcium improves bone strength and reduces the risk of leg disorders and deformities, especially in broilers and layers. Number four, it has phosphorus, and it is a phosphorus enrichment plant. 6 to 8% phosphorus, which supports metabolic processes and energy production, vital for active and productive animals. 5. It's rich in antioxidants 7 to 9%, which reduces oxidative stress and improves overall animal health and resistance to diseases. Number 6. It is a source of vitamin C 5 to 7%. Vitamin C boosts immunity, helping animals to combat common illness and infections. Number 7. Contains natural antibiotic properties 4 to 6%. This helps in reducing the dependence of synthetic antibiotics by natural fighting infections naturally without any synthetic. You know that one of the major costs of rearing poultry is feed and medications. If you can combat this by producing your own feed and using grasses and weeds within your environment to take care of your poultry and livestock animals as if they are in a natural habitat, this will help you to go a long way in making profit and reducing the cost of production. Number 8, it improves digestive health. 8 to 10% digestive fiber. It contains digestive and dietary fiber with enzymes that enhance digestion and nutrient absorption in poultry, thereby increasing feed conversion and feed oxidation. Number 9, it enhances egg production. Regular use in poultry increases egg production between 10 to 15%. It increases egg size, egg quality, and laying rates. Number 10, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-inflammatory properties aid in faster recovery from injuries, infections, and stress-related issues. You know that one of the hazard poultry birds, most especially broilers and laying birds, faces is overstress. Once they are overstressed, they will hardly eat, and if they don't eat, they will hardly get anything to convert. So it means if they are not eating, they are not giving out anything at all because they are not taking in anything. So once they overstressed, they will reduce feed consumption, which will drastically reduce feed conversion, and it is sure that you are not going to get anything from there. So if the miracle plant can help you reduce stress in your poultry and livestock animals, it means your poultry will eat at the right time, digest the feed at the right time, convert the feed at the right time, and give you quality meat and egg at the right time. Anti-inflammatory properties 5 to 8%, which aids in faster recovery from injuries, infection, and stress-related issues. And at the same time, it reduces mortality rate 30%. It strengthens the immune system of your poultry and livestock animals, lowering disease-related death significantly in poultry and livestock. You know that once you have high mortality in your poultry or livestock animals, you hardly make profit. So this particular miracle plant does miracle in their life by reducing and fortifying their immune system, reducing the risk of loss in poultry. 12. It boosts feed conversion ratio, FCR. The feed efficiency in poultry is increased between 15 to 20%. This plant enables animals to convert feed into body weight or egg production, thereby maximizing egg productivity more effectively, leading to high profitability in poultry and livestock. If you're a poultry farmer and this particular content comes across you, you are lucky, because I have been keeping this content for over years. I've been using this plant, but it touches my mind today to release it to you. So I'll advise you, please like this particular video and make sure, if this is your first time or coming across this channel, tap subscribe and activate the bell notification, because more content is loading that you never had on anywhere at all. You never even read about them. They are loading very soon, so that you will not miss out. Let this video reach other farmers, your friends, your colleagues in the business. Share it to reach them. This is the way you can enhance and grow this our channel. In conclusion, the miracle plant is a game changer in poultry and livestock farming. Its rich nutritional and medicinal profile not only enhances the health and productivity of your animals, but also reduces dependency on synthetic additives and antibiotics. Incorporating this plant into your farming practices and other related areas in livestock ensures a sustainable, cost-effective, and organic approach to raising healthier and more productive animals. Please start using the miracle plant today and witness the transformative benefit and miraculous work in your poultry farm. You will testify if you use it, and if you share this video and drop your comment. If you have ever used this plant, let me know on the comment section. Till I come your way with the next topic loading very soon. Don't go far. I want to hear from you on the comment section. And if you want me to prepare any other video for you, drop it on the comment section. Then on the comment section, let me tell you how to make use of it so that you get the best result. I don't want this video to exceed this particular length. Ask me on how to use it on the comment section. I will send you the message. Bye for now.